hiring an injury lawyer is not going to cost you an arm and a leg. So I get it. You've been in a car accident or a slip and fall or anything like that, and you think you need to hire a lawyer, but you're afraid to call and hire one because in your mind, you're gonna have to take out a loan to be able to afford to hire a lawyer. That's not the case. So many people have this misconception that they can't afford a lawyer. In today's video, I'm gonna break down what you'll actually need to pay a lawyer. And I did air quotations because I'm a personal injury lawyer. The compensation for injury lawyers is a little bit different from most other lawyers. But let's talk about it. The first thing to consider is what type of lawyer do you need? So if you've been arrested or charged for a crime, you're gonna need a defense lawyer. If you're going through a divorce or a child custody battle, you're gonna need a family lawyer. If you're arguing over some real estate, you're gonna need a real estate lawyer. If you've been injured, then you're gonna need an injury lawyer. So as you see, not everyone's needs are the same. Everybody has different needs, and these different lawyers that you may need have different costs and different payment arrangements for the representation. But once you find out your needs, that brings you to the main reason you're watching this video, the money. How much does it cost? Well, each lawyer is gonna have their different hourly rate. Some lawyers, maybe for a criminal lawyer that's a smaller traffic offense, they might charge a flat fee. So speeding ticket, $800. DUI, $5,000. That might be a flat fee. There's some lawyers that do an hourly rate, and I've seen hourly rates as low as $150 and as high as $1,000 an hour. So it just depends on the type of lawyer, the caliber of that lawyer, and the market, because an hourly rate in South Carolina is not gonna be the same hourly rate as a lawyer in New York or somewhere like that. You're gonna pay. You might actually pay an arm and a leg up there. And then you have the injury lawyers. So that's personal injury, workers' compensation. It's pretty universal from state to state. It's a contingency fee. And what a contingency fee means, the lawyer does not get paid or receive any attorney's fee unless we're able to win money for you, the client. The percentage of the contingency fee depends on the actual law firm in the area. But generally, the standard is 1/3, so 33.333% of the full recovery if your case is able to be resolved without filing a lawsuit. If you have to file a lawsuit and go into litigation, it does normally go up to 40%. So really, you don't have to worry about whether you can afford an injury lawyer because we don't get paid until you get paid, and there's no upfront costs. Most injury lawyers don't even charge a consultation fee. I know my office, we never charge clients a consultation fee. We figure you've already had something really bad happen to you. Why am I gonna make you pay money to tell me what happened with you just to see if I can help you? So to sum it up, if you have been injured due to someone else's fault, you can afford an attorney because you don't have to pay us anything up front. And then it's important to note that once you hire an injury lawyer, they have a vested interest in making sure that you receive compensation and the maximum compensation, because their compensation, the attorney's fee, depends on how much money we are able to get for the client. So the more money we're able to get for the client, the more money the attorney makes, vested interest. From the day that we sign up a new case, we're already doing the investigation. We are making sure that we have an investigator go out to the scene, look for any surveillance video, interview any witnesses. A lot of time, the different vehicles and car accidents have a lot of data that we can pull from the event data recovery module, put drones in the air to see the different traffic patterns in the area. We do everything we can to maximize our client's case from day one. One thing my office will never do is take home more money than our client takes home. What that means is when the percentages are split up and the client has to pay back their medical bills or any other expenses, if the client is left taking home less money than the attorney's fee, we always reduce our attorney's fee. We will never take an attorney's fee that is equal or greater to the amount our client is taking home. And I think that's important to know. So now you know, hiring an injury lawyer is not going to cost you an arm and a leg like you may have thought. But do know, not hiring an injury lawyer could cost you everything. The insurance adjusters that are handling your claim and acting like your friend, they're not your friend. It is their job to make sure you get paid the least amount of compensation as possible. It's their job to save their company money, not pay you. I've had the opportunity to help thousands of clients recover for injuries. So if you're watching this video and you think you may need an injury lawyer, or you know you need an injury lawyer, but you didn't think that you could afford one, please give me a call. You can click on the link below. I look forward to speaking with you. And also while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue posting content, answering any questions that you all have, whether it's about law, life, cars, I really like cars, or anything. Please just hit me up.